For the next 2 months, I'm going to introduce you to my video series on detoxification. We're exposed to toxins everywhere. It's in our air, in our home. In fact, studies show that the air in our homes is 4 times more polluted than outdoors. It's in our water, in our food, in our cleaning supplies, in our personal care products, and about everywhere that you look. Bill Moyers posted a PBS special in which he had his blood tested to see how many toxins in his body. He had 148 chemicals. Now that was 20 years ago, so you can imagine there's a lot more chemicals in all of us today. 5,000 years ago, before there were any chemical toxins, the system of medicine called Ayurveda recognized that we need to do regular detoxification in order to keep our bodies healthy. At the time, the only source of toxins were really the byproducts of cellular metabolism, as well as emotional upsets and stress. Just those toxins alone in our body were enough to clog it and keep it from functioning properly. Now we live in a soup of toxic chemicals. They weaken our immune system, they damage our nervous and reproductive systems, they interact with our hormones, and generally cause havoc to our bodies. One of the things that we found that is extremely dangerous about many of these toxins is that they will concentrate and store in our fat cells. In fact, a study on DDT found that it was 700 times more concentrated in the fat cells than it was in the blood. Now these chemicals will kind of break down over time, but it could take up to 20 years. So there's a lot of different techniques that we can use that can help us to rapidly get those toxins out of our body. Next week, I'll introduce you to some simple, easy beginning steps on how to detoxify. And in the comments section below, let me know what you think is your greatest source of toxins.